In this lecture, we'll study about predicate logic. Okay, so come to the definition. Predicate logic is also called as first order logic or quantified logic. So it is a formal language in which propositions are expressed in terms of predicates, variables and quantifiers. Okay, so what is predicate, what is variable, what is quantifier? We'll see it later. But we know what is a proposition. Okay, we know that a proposition is a statement which is either true or false. Okay, so in predicate logic, propositions are expressed in terms of predicates, variables and quantifiers. So it is different from propositional logic which lacks quantifiers. So in propositional logic, there is no use of quantifiers. Okay, so we know that proposition is nothing but a statement which is either true or false, but cannot be both at the same time. Now come to predicates. Predicates are a fundamental concept in mathematical logic. Predicates express similar kind of propositions involving its arguments. So this is the formal definition. So come to an example here. So predicate can be expressed like this: Px is equal to x is a girl, where x is a variable. So x can be anything. Okay, so x can be any person, it may be male or female. Okay, similarly we can have another examples. Here we have a predicates having two variables x and y, so it can be defined as x is father of y. Similarly, this is a predicate having three variables x, y, z, and it can be defined as x borrowed y from z. Okay, where y may be some item, x and z may be some persons. Okay, so this is the simple example here. Px is equal to x is a girl, where Px is called as the predicate function, x is called as the variable, and is a girl is called as the predicate property. Okay, so here S is a set, and it is also called as domain or universe of discourse. Domain means, in this example we are taking x as a variable and the value of x is belong to this particular set. So x can be, let's suppose the domain of this particular predicate is, let's suppose this S set, then the value of x may be Rani, Radha, Ram or Lakshman. So this set is called as domain or universe of discourse. In the short form it is called as UD, universe of discourse. Okay, and these are the set of objects. Okay, once a value has been assigned to the variable x, the function px becomes proposition and has a truth value. Okay, so as in the previous example we have predicate function px is equal to x is a girl. Okay, now the value of x is not assigned, so it cannot determine the truth value of this particular predicate function. But once the value of x is assigned, then this predicate becomes proposition. Okay, or this predicate function becomes proposition and has a truth value, means it will be either true or false. Okay, so if I say, let's suppose x is equal to, let's suppose if I say Rani. Okay, then we can have px can be written as, let's suppose x is a girl. Now we have assigned the value of x is equal to Rani, where we can say Rani is a girl, so this one is a true value. Okay, similarly if we take x is equal to Ram or Lakshman, then this predicate function will have the false value. So in this way, a predicate function do not have any truth value, but once the value is assigned to the variable x, or it may be any variable, then the predicate function becomes a proposition and has a truth value. Okay, so px, that is a predicate function, is an open statement till value is assigned. So px is nothing but an open statement, means we cannot determine its truth value. until its value is assigned. But once the value is assigned to the variable x, then you can determine its truth value, that it may be either true or false. Because once a value is assigned to the predicate function, then the predicate function becomes a proposition and which has a truth value, either true or false. Predicate can also be connected with logical connectives, and they follow the logical equivalence rules. So you can use the logical connectives like conjunction, disjunction, implication, by implication. This kind of connectives can be used with the predicate.